Hi guys, back again with another video. This time it's of a dinosaur cake that I did maybe at the beginning of lockdown in the UK, so probably about 5 months ago, but you know, the world is falling apart, so I feel like I should just be forgiven. Okay, so firstly, once your cakes are baked, you want to cut the tops off. So there's two reasons to do this. The first is to cut the caramelization off. So you can see as I'm cutting the cake, you kind of reveals the brighter color underneath. The second reason is because it stacks more evenly. So if you don't do this and you have a dome to your cake will like start to crack, and you don't want that. So make sure you stick the cake to the board to stop it from moving around. This is a 6-inch rainbow cake, which means the cakes are 6 inches and there are also 6 layers. I use 2 tablespoons of buttercream per layer. I have no idea how much that is, but it's personal preference. If you want more buttercream, use more. If you want less, use less. So repeat the process 5 times, and then with your last colour on top, flip it over so the flattest bit of the cake is on the top. So this is the most important part of your cake stacking, which is making sure that you crumb coat well. If you don't crumb coat well, your whole cake could possibly crash and burn. So what I do is chill after crumb coating, chill for as long as physically possible. In all of my videos, I am showing you the way that I decorate cakes. I'm not showing you the correct way to decorate cakes necessarily. This is just what worked for me. Once you're happy with the smoothness of the cake, put it in the fridge again for about 30 minutes. Okay, so you can see that I have some imperfections on the side of the cake. That's because this is going to be a watercolour buttercream. So whilst you do want to make sure it's, smooth and as perfect as possible, you will be covering it. So, don't spend too much time. Okay, so now I'm going into the watercolour buttercream section, or camouflage buttercream, whatever you want to call it. There's a few different types of buttercream, watercolour buttercream. This type is the one where you chill your cake in between colours so they don't blend too much. So here I'm going in with the green. I would love to tell you what colour this is, but I make all my colours by hand, but I don't know the ratios, I'm sorry. Okay, so once I've done the green layer, I put it in the fridge for about maybe 10-15 minutes max, just so that colour can set before going in with the next colour. I just add some cocoa powder. Obviously the more cocoa powder you add, the darker the brown. I was going for kind of like a mud colour effect. Okay, so I've gone in with a dark chocolate drip, I think, which is just a mixture of double cream and chocolate. Okay, so I'm just spooning the Oreo crumbs onto the buttercream so it kind of sticks, even though it doesn't. Just be prepared for there to be crumbs everywhere. Okay, so the next bit, I've done a dual tone rope border. That's what I call it. I do not know if that's the correct name. So I've just used the colours, the 2 greens and the chocolate that I used on the cake, so it matches completely. Okay, so lastly, I used my Cricut machine to make some leaf details. I could have made this out of fondant, but I have a hate-hate relationship with fondant. If you don't know, now you know. I hate fondant. Okay, so we're done. That's everything. If you have any questions at all, just leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try to get to all of them at some point. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything I haven't done that you want to see. Thank you. Bye.